for today. So, since bago lang kaming mga vlogger, or bago lang akong vlogger, kasi hindi sila kasali. Sila kasali. So, marami ako napanood ng mga, yung usong-uso ngayon na eating lemon with no reaction. So, gagawin namin ngayon yun, but ours will be eating lemon with no reaction with a twist. With a twist. Kasi nga, mga late bloomer na kami, kumbaga. So, we're gonna do it with a twist. So, let's go with a twist. So, eto, here's the sample. We have, oh my God, hindi niyo nakikita. Yan. We have some lemons. So, each participant will have 4 slices. Thin lang naman yan. Very thin lemon. And then, hilaw na mangga. It may look like yellowish na, pero it's still sour. Because this is like very, very maliit na manggang hilaw na kalabaw. Ganon. So, ang rules of the game is no water, no nothing. You should eat it with no reaction. Like, and just swallow the whole thing. So, before that, meron din kaming sour stripper. Ayan. So, meron tong 4 na flavor sa bawat isa-isa. Kami bawat flavor. So, 4 pieces. Ito ang aming unang sour challenge. Yan nga. Ito ang aming first challenge. Let's try to open it. So, ito guys, Haribo. I don't know how you say it. Pero mabibili ito sa mga kahit saan-saan dito. Let's get ready. So, ayan, 3 plate yan guys. Meron din ako. Ito yung akin. So, mom eating sour with the kids. Hey, not yet. Put it down. Put it down. Oh no.
Blue.
Wait. Don't make reklamo. Then blue for me.
And blue for you.
Blue for you.
And green.
Green and green.
Orange.
Orange and orange. So, yan.
Oh.
Sasali din natin si baby kasi meron ako ditong maliit na pieces para kay baby. Pero kay baby, isang ganito lang. Kasi bawal sobrang tamis. So, ganito ang rules natin dito, guys. So, ayan guys, before we start, let me just, tell you a disclaimer. There are no kids harmed in this video. Don't worry. Ito ay fruits lamang and just candy. Anyway, sabi nga nila, lemon is good for your health and for your body. And yung mango is just a fruit, so it's nothing wrong. And this is just a candy, like a gummy bear. It's just like a sour strip something na parang nabibili sa mga candy store. So don't worry. At yung baby ko, nagtataka kayo bakit siya sa background kasi he will definitely destroy everything. But we are so make sure he's so safe right there. And we're giving him a piece of this, so he is also included. Right, baby Lau? And he has a hello. So, before we start, let me just tell you na kung paano kakainin ng bawat belt. Kailangan ang isang color nito ay isusubo ng isang beses. Bawal unti-unti. Isang beses, sabay-sabay ngunguyain. Okay, so let's start! Here's for you. You're welcome. Okay, so first challenge, let's do the red one. Everyone, let's get the red. So everyone must face, hey, move here. Look at them. Because no one should have reaction. No smiling, no laughing, no nothing.
Okay.
Ready? Get set, go. Medyo matigas siya. I mean, pwede naman tumawa, pero bawal mag-reaction ng naasima. Pwede din magsalita. Pwede lang mag-react ng maasim. What tapos na?
Malapit na ako mag-react.
Ako nga guys, naluluha na. Akala nyo guys, simpleng candy lang to. Kaya tikman nyo to guys.
And then,
Dito say Pwede na mag-react. Guys, tignan nyo, naluluha na ako.
Ako din eh. No, hindi.
Belt! Let's go color blue. In fairness, ang sarap nung red kanina. Pero,
Yeah.
tigas. Go! Ang daya, kalawang ko mga bata. Favorite nila ng mga ganito eh. Kasi kita ko ito, nagre-react ka gabi eh. Loser!
I still have more. Done.
Done. Medyo di ko gusto yung flavor na yun ah. Hindi ko gusto yung blue ah. Pero, di ako mag-react doon. Pwede ka mag-react pag sabi, oh baka na, may tig 1 point na kami. Ay, meron na kami. Meron kang 1 kasi nakapasa ka. Ay, hindi. Ang bilangin na lang natin is yung
Ang gulo mo?
pagkakatalo mo. So, 1 talo ka na.
Next belt color
Green! I think green apple to. So, ready? Get set, go. Hindi ka nila kita.
Masyadong maasim.
Iiyak ako. Kapag nangunguya mo siya, kumakatas yung juice niya. Yun yung ayaw mo lunukin eh.
Ang sarap ng juice.
Kaya siyang baboy oh. May bila, are you okay? O, see? Nangunguya na siya, di ba? Nasa red pa lang siya, green na kami.
Done.
Ang bilis niya. Hirap na wala ng mga ngipin.
Ako na una.
Diyos ko yung luha ko, guys!
Ako hindi ako umiiyak. Mami, challenge to kayo. Napakabilis naman nun, Mami.
Kawawa naman ang nanay natatalo. Pero siya tinan mo kumakain.
Isa na akong...
Ay, guys, sabi ko sa inyo, try nyo to. Hindi ko alam kung meron nito mabibili kayo sa Philippines, pero try nyo to. Subscribe, comment down below kung gusto nyo. Baka isa ka sa lucky winner, padalang ka namin ito para malaman mo yung sinasabi ko. Let's! Last one sa ating candy.
Orange.
Orange! Aba, kakulay nila. Kakulay nila.
Roll over, roll.
Okay. Ready? Ito muna.
Wait,
Get set!
wait.
Power Ranger! Orange, go! Wala lang, ako hindi ka kasali.
Di sour kasi ano, orange lang.
Hindi ba yung mga kalaban ko? Ang baboy. Huwag mo ko pinatawanan. Ba't ka lang sabi niya hindi sour? Kasi orange mas na-sour hanggang ngayon.
Sour ba talaga, Mami? One loose ka na.
God, sorry guys. God! Sabi nila hindi maasim kasi orange lang daw. I guess I really don't like orange. Hindi talaga ako makain kahit yung fruit na orange. Not unless pongkan. Ay, hindi. Hindi lang masyado sa pongkan. Very light lang. Pero yung mga kiyat-kiyat, yung maliliit yun kasi matatamis. Pero, God, hindi daw maasim.
Me, I'm not losing yet.
Part 2! Nandito na tayo sa... Excuse you. Wala na po. Mangga na! Ito magkakaalaman. Ito, hindi naman kailangan isubo lahat. Of course, wala namang ganon. So, bahala kayo. Pero, syempre, kailangan ubusin.
Yeah.
So, at the count of 3. 1. Ay, hold on. Baby Lal, you have mangga. Huwag niyo siyang harangan. Tignan natin reaction niya. At the count of 3. Oh, wala pa, Lal. 1, 2, 3, go!
Yay! Mommy lose! Mommy lose again. 2 times.
Bakit napunta sa akin sobrang asim? Kailangan pa rin ubusin. Kahit talo. Pero pwede na ako mag-asim-asim. Hindi ba kayo aasim?
Hindi.
Eto na siya, guys!
Patay na ako.
Excuse me. Parang nasusuka na ako, guys. Tulungan nyo naman kami. Ngayon lang ako nakatikim ng lemon dahil sa challenge na to. Nakatikim ako ng lemon for the first time. Yeah, kasi natitikman ko lang mga lemon flavor, tapos ayoko. Ngayon din talaga yung lemon fruit.
It's easy.
Are you gonna surrender? Surrender? Give up? Okay, give up. You're out. He can't.
Mine. Can I have one?
Go ahead! You can also have mine! So, you're actually the grand Sour King! Sour King!
Wala naman siyang
Baby Sour! Baby Sour King!
Wala naman siyang...
Oh, guys, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. So, we have a winner. That's Uno! Yay! So, ayun nga. Grabe. Sabi ka, ayun. Kumakain pa rin po siya ng lemon. Talaga pong inuubos niya. So, mali yata po ang choice ng aking challenge na ginawa for today kasi talaga pong trip niya ang mga maasim. So, kailangan maging wais pa po si Mami next time. So, guys, thank you so much. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't
subscribe.
forget to subscribe. Yeah, that's right. And if you're watching it right now, might as well click the like button. Plus, I'm gonna request for you to also ring that bell right there, so you could also know when we have a new video. So, I guess we're just gonna continue eating our candy. Yay! Bye, guys!
Bye, guys!
See you again next
Bye,
time!
guys! See you again!
Mwah!
Here. You don't like it? Here. No? Just taste it. Taste.
What are you eating, baby love? Oh, there's some flies. May langaw, B. B, may langaw.